I wanna show you how to add the fade effect to the video in Premiere Pro, let's go! The quickest method is to hover your mouse near the end of the clip until the moment that you will see the red brackets icon appear. The next step is right click of the mouse and apply default transition. This will automatically add 1 second fade to your video clip. In case if you wanna create the same effect at the beginning of your video, you just need to repeat the process to start of the clip. But in case if you would like to use different transition instead of the default cross dissolve, go to the effects panel, find the transition you prefer, right click on it and choose the set selected default transition. Let's change the transition at the beginning. Perfect, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.